Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you in Xcode when we add a text field to our iOS app at the bottom of the screen. So what happens when we toggle the keyboard, it disappears because it's overlapped. I'm going to toggle the keyboard again. Now you can see the text field is visible. So what we can do is just write lot of codes to fix that. Otherwise, there's a third-party library called IQ Keyboard Manager. Using that library, we are able to fix that issue. So here we can see some description. While developing iOS apps, we often run into issues where the iPhone keyboard slides up and covers the UITextView and the UITextField. An IQ Keyboard Manager allows you to prevent this issue of keyboard sliding up and covering UITextField and UITextView without needing you to write any code or make any additional setup. So we are going to see how we can use that. I will include this link in the description so you can open that. You have to search in this page called Package Manager, and this area you will see this URL github.com and the username /IQKeyboardManager.git. Okay, now open the Xcode again and click File, click Add Package Dependencies. Okay, now paste the URL here. Now select this one and click Add Package. And if you are using Cocoa pods also, you might see pods there. Make sure you select your target project and not pods. Okay, now make sure this is adding to the target project and click Add Package. Then the next step, go back to the GitHub link, and here you will see some introduction how you can use this. You have to import IQ Keyboard Manager Shift in App Delegate. In the top, click there and paste it. IQ Keyboard Manager Shift has been imported, and you have to copy this code IQ Keyboard Manager.shared.enable equals to true. Now you have to paste that in this did finish launch with options. Now let's run the application again. Okay, we need the software keyboard. Let's toggle that. Here we can see it is working now. Alright, so there are other configurations provided by IQ Keyboard Manager, so you can explore that in the GitHub link. If you go to the bottom, you will see these properties and functions usage. Go to there and you will explore what things you can do with this IQ Keyboard Manager. For example, here this one, enable auto toolbar. It enable auto toolbar behavior. If it is set to no, you have to manually create UI toolbar for keyboard. Default is yes. Here, if you type something, you will see this is the toolbar that contains the done button. If you want to hide that, all you have to do, you can say IQ Keyboard Manager dot shared enable auto toolbar is equals to false. Now let's run that. Okay, now you can see it is gone.